Okay, hi Carrie, how you doing? I got your image up here, and you're writing. All you say is attached to will find my submission. To me, this is perfect in many ways, but I don't understand what is perfect. I mean, what are you showing here? To me, it's an image of a blowing flag with some things in the foreground, framing the flag. So, what is the quintessence here? What are you trying to represent? I think a lot of times our shooting assignments require a little bit of a written explanation. Okay, so for example, if you were to explain this as the quintessential patriotic view of a flag, absolutely. But without an explanation, we don't know what you're saying here. It's an image of a flag. Do you see what I'm saying? So if you're saying that the quintessence of patriotism is being represented by the view of a flag, and the reason this is quintessential is because it's a view that we're looking up to the flag almost in reverence of our country. Okay, so without that description, it's basically a snapshot. I hope that makes sense. It's a tough assignment because the word quintessence is a tough word, but basically what it means is the embodiment of. Okay, so this is the embodiment of what? See what I'm saying? I think the composition is interesting. However, I don't think it's a very good photograph. And let me describe why. Mainly, it's out of focus. We can clearly see that the focus is somehow you've locked your focus probably on the foreground, probably on this beam right here, because the flag itself, especially, well, we can zoom in here. I can show you what I mean. Whoops. Let me zoom in here. Okay, see, this is just really, really badly out of focus. So in terms of composition, I think it's somewhat interesting because of the way that you have it framed with these beams of the building. I'd like to know what this is, I really would. But in terms of quintessence, I think this would either need a further description or you definitely need a further description. And then in terms of image quality, I think that getting this in focus is really going to help the cause. Okay? Any questions? Give me a holler. Thanks very much.